Students, welcome to the last part of this NCHM question paper. We have the last few questions. Let us solve all of them. The first one is 3 cubes of iron whose edges are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter are melted and formed a single cube. All right. So what were the volumes? 6 cube plus 8 cube, right? And 10 cube. So that is 216 plus 512 plus 1000. What do they add up to? They add up to 1728. So for the new cube, we have side cube, assuming no wastage, the volume will be 1728. So 1728 is basically 12 cube, right? So side equal to 12 centimeter. So it's a much bigger cube than all of the previous smaller cubes. Next, we have a sum on simple interest. Find the simple interest on 7200. Rate is given, time is given 10 months. Now, this is per annum, right? That means per year. But our rate is, our time is given in months. So to convert it into years, we'll make it 10 by 12 years. It is possible. So then our SI would be principal into rate into time, 10 by 12 and 100. So these two cancel out. Zeros, 12, 6. So 48 times 10 is 480. So the answer is 480 rupees. Next question. This one is a bit of calculation, so do it carefully. 25,000 is borrowed at a compound interest for the rate of 3% year 1, 4% year 2, and 5% third year. Find the amount to be paid after 3 years. So this is basically compound interest, but we have to do it like simple interest. So year 1, okay, SI will be 25,000 into 4 into 1 by 100. So SI here is 100 cancels out. So 1000. No, for the first year it was 3%. Right? That means it's 750. So the amount, which is the principal for the next cycle, will be 25750. Just adding 750. Year 2. What do you have the SIS? 25750 into 4 into 1 by 100. Cancel the 0. So that turns out to be 1030. And the amount would be, I have it done beforehand, 26780. Then for year 3, we're going to have the SIS 26780 times 5 by 100. You cancel the 0. You can also cancel 2. So your SI is 1339. Just add it to the amount, and you're going to get 26780 plus 1339, which is 28119. That is the answer. Right? A merchant commences with a certain capital and gains annually at the rate of 25%. At the end of 3 years, his capital is worth 10,000. What is his original capital? So this looks like a sum of compound interest as well. So you have a starting amount, and then you have exponential growth, right? 1 plus R by 100 in 3 years is 10,000. So let's see how this solves itself. So we have A into, this is 4. A into 125 by 4 cube is 64. This is 10,000. And this is 80. You cancel it, you'll get 80. So then the amount becomes 80 times 64, This is 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 5, 1, 2, 0. So that will be your answer. All right, then next, this time and work. A tap can empty a tank in 15 hours. Another tap can empty the tank in 10 hours. And how much time will a filled tank get emptied? Good. So let's take total volume is the LCM of these two, 30. So then tank 1 will empty it in. Efficiency of tank 1, sorry, efficiency of tap 1 would be, it empties it in 15 hours, right? So 2. Efficiency of tap 2 would be, it empties it in 3 hours. Sorry, 10 hours. So efficiency would be 3. Then the total efficiency would be 2 plus 3, 5. So together they will empty it in time taken would be 30 by 5, 6 hours. So this is the efficiency method. When we do problems involving just work, we consider this to be total work. Since here it's a tank and we have to calculate the amount of time in which it empties, so we just considered it to be the volume of the tank instead. Okay, so these types of problems are quite easy using the efficiency method. All right, next we have a comprehension type question. This is the given figure. Oops. So this figure is given. Let us see. So this is the length, this is the breadth, AB is 3, and so AF will be 5. Since ED is 7, so this part will be 4. All right, AF is cut out. Okay, so we'll do the second part first. What is the area of triangle AF? That's half, these are all perpendiculars, right? Rectangle. So half into 5 into 4, half into base into height, that is 10 centimeters square. Now we have to find out the remaining area. So area of the rectangle would be base into height or length into breadth. So 11 into 8, 88 centimeters square. After cutting the triangle, remaining area, so this would be 88 minus 10, 78. That is the answer here, and that is the answer here. The cost of carpeting a room is rupees 10 per meter square. Find out the cost of carpeting a room 4 meter wide and 6 meter long. Easy sum. Area of room, area of floor basically. You don't carpet the entire room, right? 4 into 6. So this is 24 meters square. Cost is 10 per meter square. So total cost is 24 into 10, which is 240. That is the answer. So there are no more questions from this paper. And let me know if the solutions were of help. I have did them in as little time as possible. And if you practice some of these type, this exam is not that difficult. But the difficulty lies in managing time because you have 4 or 5 sections. You have aptitude, you have numerical ability, you'll have English, you'll have GK. So managing the time in the entire exam will be a bit tricky if you do not practice. If you practice, you will surely score high. All right, so let me know if you need any further assistance on this. Then if it's needed, we can make videos for previous year questions also. So this is 2021, right? The paper of 2021 was conducted in 2022. So hopefully the paper of 2022 that will be conducted in 2023 will be easy for you. And if needed, I'll also solve the paper in 2020. All right. So see you in a different video. Have a good time.